Everybody to see what's in my hospital bag. Or hot. Yeah.
That's not
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Maya and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can read about the title, we're about to see what's in my hospital bag. Okay y'all, so right now I am literally just packing anything, but I'm not overpacking, which is a good thing. So in this vlog, I'm gonna show y'all what's in my bag and then what's in baby girl's bag. So we're gonna start off with my bag, and right now I am drinking my raspberry leaf tea mixed with cran pineapple, and the girls on TikTok say it helps with the tearing. Most women who drink it say they don't tear at all. Some people say they baby slide out. I've also been doing the okra water and mixing it with pineapple too, so we'll see. Today I am currently 37 weeks and 3 days, and I want her out next week, period. But if not, you know, she could come when she wants to, but that's just my desire. So nesting is done, room is done, baby shower is done. Now it's the last thing, which is the hospital bag. I've been dibbling and dabbling in my bag, so I'm gonna show y'all what's in there. Only thing I'm not gonna show y'all is my going home outfit. I'm actually currently drying that outfit. I have a picture in it, I think. If I find a picture, I'll put it on the screen to show y'all my going home outfit, but it's super comfortable and I wear it all the time because it's just super comfortable and it's super cute. So let's get into the video. Yeah, so for starters, I got my toothpaste because I don't want them people in my face and the breath is kicking or hot. Okay, so toothpaste, mouthwash, my favorite. So happy that Target got the travel size one, and my ESO hand cream. Never knew about these. I seen it on somebody's vlog and I was like, let me go see if they got that. Of course, my toothbrush. I'm gonna get it out the bathroom when it get closer to time. Well, no, I got it here. This is my travel toothbrush and I have a couple, so that's for the hygiene. I have my spray on deodorant. Y'all, my baby cousin the only one that thought of me, okay? She got me some postpartum spray. And I don't even know how she know about it because she ain't even got a kid. But still, she got me this. Oh, yeah, she got me so much, she got me so many, items for me. And I love it. She also got me these honey pots. And I know the hospital carried the pads and stuff, so I'm only taking this and honey pots. I'm not taking my honey pot pads, period. I'm going to use what the hospital provides. And y'all, I actually got this bag. Both of these off Amazon for $8. This is going to be the bag that when they ask me, do I need anything? Yeah. Load this bag up for me. Thank you. So that's just my loaded bag. I'm gonna fold that up and put that in there so I won't forget it. Ooh, and it got a zipper on the front, y'all. I'm just now paying attention to. Okay, y'all, so I'm packing this bag back down. Like I said, it's a zipper on the front. I'm gonna put all my hygiene stuff in the front. So yeah, we got the toothbrush, the toothpaste, the hand wash. I do have soap too. And I'm gonna put that in there closer to time. I might find a travel size thingy and put my soap in there because it's super big. The soap that I got from Target the other day, and I don't want it to waste out or leak in my bag. Okay, so first and foremost, my doctor told me to fill out this registration form and to make sure I bring it. And I'm packing that in my hospital bag. I do got my social, driver's license, all of that, of course, that's going with it as well. But this is really important because he like, when you're in labor, you don't want to fill all that out. And he's correct. I don't. So, I got that paper in there. My little cousin got me these postpartum underwear. I'm about to put, I think 2 of them. 2 out of the pack in here. Because I don't know if the hospital is going to give me some. And like I said, I want to use all of theirs first. Yeah, I don't even know how to wear these. Like, do I put the pad inside of these or wait? We'll figure that out later. So for postpartum, we got the Dermaplast, honey pot wipes, and the briefs. Tea, okay? So I'm gonna take 2 of these. I'm not gonna take the whole box. I'm gonna take 2. Like I said, I'm trying to use all of their resources first before we get into our stuff once we get home, okay? Okay, y'all. So we got mouth health hygiene and we got postpartum stuff. I do plan on wearing, oh, you know what, I could get some tights and just wear this shirt home. I got strawberry because my baby theme was strawberry shortcake. Nickname gonna be strawberry, so we heavy on the strawberry here. I'm gonna get tights and just wear this home instead of wearing the other outfit. I forgot I bought this shirt to wear home. I also got these pajamas to wear while I'm in the hospital. Strawberry shortcake as well. Super cute. Super tea. And then the top, I have strawberry shortcake. Y'all, I'm overdoing it, but it's a little OD. It's cool. So we got the, I don't know if I'm going to wear that like after I deliver or the, you know, that first night we spend the night. I also have this robe and house shoe set. Let me get the house shoes. My robe, baby. Let me get the house shoes. Hear me out. As a first time mama, I want to look so cute. Like, I want to go in with the mindset like, I got this. I want to go in like a pro, okay? So, I want to feel cute. So, I got me a cute Victoria's Secret little robe. Super cute. And I did order it in the medium because once I drop, we back in regular size. And I still can fit it. It just won't close all the way. But listen, Miss Mamas, I'm going to be looking cute on the operating table. Bed, whatever you want to call it. Hospital bed. So I got this robe to match the LV slippers. I mean, not LV. I'm getting ahead of myself. Victoria's Secret slippers. Let's see. Like I said, I want to feel like myself. I don't want to just feel like just scared, tired, looking scared and tired. I want to feel like me. So yeah, I got the stuff that's gonna make me feel comfortable. I don't have to have this on during labor because I don't want to mess it up, but I do want to eventually like throw it on. Probably once I have her and they let me move around, because my intentions are to go natural. So I want to be able to move around and be up until it's time for me to push. So that's it on clothes, because I feel like it's a 3-day stay. So yeah, what I'm wearing in just gonna be something loungy, nothing too much, nothing too crazy. Okay, y'all, and the last thing that I have in my bag is my fan. I hear a lot of people say like they super hot, and yeah, I hate being hot and uncomfortable. So I'm packing my fan, and of course my chargers to my phones and my camera. Of course I won't leave those out, but I'm actively using my camera and phones now. So and I literally stay 5 minutes from the hospital, so I plan on laboring here. and then going to the hospital once, you know, my water break. Now, I really don't know what to expect as to why I only pack light. A lot of people say people overpack, and I felt like that as well. Like, I'm not gonna overpack and then end up not needing all that stuff. I don't think it's necessary to overpack. That's why I got small bags, so I would be forced to not overpack, which is a good thing. All I need is my hygiene stuff because I don't know if I'm gonna stay for a day, 2 days, or 3 days. But like I said, I stay 5 minutes away from the hospital, so 5 minutes literally, and that's with traffic. I mean, with the heavy traffic, maybe like 10, but the hospital is literally right around the corner. So if I need anything, I could just literally get someone to come here and pick it up for me. So yeah, I do have my camera too that I want to take. Polaroid camera for pictures. And that's about it for my hospital bag. Now let's get into baby girl's hospital bag. Y'all, I just digged out all her stuff in her bag. And when I tell you I packed her down, I packed her down. So we're going to start with the bottles that I packed her. My doctor gave me this in a welcome bag when I found that I was pregnant, and I chose my OBGYN. And this bag, this bottle came from Amazon when I did my reveal to my parents. And my sister said this bottle is the best. The mom bottle. This bottle is one of the best bottles. And both are really small. You know, their stomach's really small. So this bottle only got 2 ounces, which she might not even drink 2 ounces the first day. So I packed her 3 pacifiers. I'm not even really gonna let her use pacifiers. I'm just doing this just because they're cute. And yeah, just to soothe her when she come out. But I don't plan on letting her use passes for a while after we come home. Like maybe up to a couple of weeks to a month, maybe 3. Just depends on how I feel. There's a mint. I packed her 4 pairs of socks. I think my sister bought these for the shower. They were so cute. She actually bought them the next day. They were super cute. Let's see. Yeah, I got her this onesie. I got her this outfit from Shein. But it's see-through, so I don't know about that, y'all. I'll see when we get home. And that outfit from Shein came with this little hat. I packed her this robe. I don't know why. But I really love this robe. I don't know why I packed it for a hospital bag, but I packed it. I packed her swaddle, her first swaddle. Which I don't know if we're going to use this in the hospital. This was a baby shower gift, and it's super, super cute. It's super soft. Pink. I packed her this onesie. I packed her this onesie. Like, I literally packed her this onesie. Why did I overpack? See? I packed her this little gown thingy. I love these, by the way. I packed her this onesie. I don't know why I packed so many onesies. And I packed her this onesie. This is probably the one she gonna wear when she come out, because it's super small. Last time I checked, she was 5 pounds, so we shall see tomorrow how many pounds she weighed again, because I got a doctor's appointment every Thursday until my due date. So that's all on the onesies. Let's get into the socks, shoes, and her going home outfit. Yeah, I thought that was it on the onesies. I packed her this onesie. I thought that was it for the onesies. I also packed her this onesie. Oh, with this headband and this little rattle set. Super cute. When I seen it at the baby shower, I was like, oh, that's tea. Oh, that's tea. Super cute. I got her some bows too, y'all. Packed her this bow. And I got her a bow set made. And I went on my best friend mom to finish her onesie to go with this. So if I take pictures of her in the hospital, she'll have this cute little sock and bow set. So cute. The little socks and a bow. So I picked this up last Saturday. I bought her these shoes from Shein months ago. And I'm going to throw her on those. They might be too big, child. We'll see. I got her another set of mints. A hat. And this is a swaddle. And it came with a sign that said new to the crew or something like that. I gotta find it, y'all. And I'm gonna pack that because I want to take pictures of her in that outfit too. With that little swaddle set too. And last thing in her bag will be her going home outfit. Yeah, y'all, these mints too big. I'm gonna leave these in her dresser. She's not gonna be able to fit those. Okay, y'all, so at the baby shower, or for the shower, I told everybody to size up. And we got so many newborns outfits, but I didn't have her. Well, we have so many newborn onesies, like drawer full, in the living room's closet full, her closet full, and then our other storage closet is full of newborns. I have to donate it. So I didn't tell nobody to give me a going home outfit. So I'm like, so I went the day after the baby shower, and I went and got her a set from Polo, cute little set. I got her this onesie and a newborn, and I got her this polo hat. Now, backstory on this. So when I took pictures at 3 months, I had on like a little pink outfit, pink little outfit, and I'm gonna put it on the screen here. So I was like, I'm gonna put her on something pink so we can kind of match. So yeah, that's it for my hospital bag. That's it for baby Mackenzie hospital bag. Let me know what y'all put in your hospital bags. Like I said, I'm my first time mom, so I don't really know what to pack. I just packed based off of how I felt about like the stuff that needed to be packed in her bag and then in my bag. A lot of people say don't overdo it, so I try not to overdo it. Literally, I'm gonna be ready to come home. I don't want to pack too much. I don't want to pack too heavy, but I don't want to pack too light. I feel like I packed just perfect. I'm not packing Pampers, wipes, and all that, because you know the hospital provide them. I'm not packing pads. I'm not packing nothing that they can provide for me that I'm gonna pay for. So this is it for this vlog. I'll see y'all in my next vloggy. Hopefully I've been delivered her by then, and of course I'm going to do a delivery vlog, and then from there on out I'll try to do some vlogs with her. But the first couple of weeks, y'all, I don't know, child. But if y'all want to see more mom content, just let me know, and I'm gonna get y'all there. So I'll see y'all later.